As most exit polls predict a clean sweep for the BJP in 4 out of 5 states, global brokerages like CLSA and Bank of America state that these exit poll outcomes are a positive for the markets. CLSA states that this improves the BJP's chances of winning the 2014 national elections. Now, moreover, it could also mean that the party could win more allies on the national stage. Bank of America, meanwhile, states that a BJP win in 4 states could enhance its chances at the centre, since they account for 13% of BJP's total Lok Sabha seats. Moreover, it states that a stable government in 2014 betters off the reform process and that the stability is positive for autos, banks, industrials and cement. So how will investors and the traders react to a BJP win? Well, ET now conducted a poll of over 20 leading foreign and domestic brokerages. And joining us are Navneet Saluja and Megha Chadha with all the details coming in. And Navneet, to you first. What are the brokerages predicting at this point for the broader markets?
Well, clearly the bias seems to be on the upside. Majority of the brokerages we poll, they expect the markets level to be around between 21,000 to 23,000. That's for Sensex, and that's by end of this fiscal year. And for Nifty, they see levels between 6,200 to about 6,400. Mind you, that's the run-up for the general elections as well. And there were only 2 respondents which said that they expect the markets to go down from the current levels. That's Nifty below 6,200 as well as Sensex below 21,000. And talking about the Bank Nifty, which has actually underperformed this year. If you look at the YTD returns of Bank Nifty, that's down nearly about 6 to 7%. So they expect some kind of momentum coming back into the banking stocks, and the Bank Nifty level indicated by them is above 14,000. That's what most of the analysts we surveyed, and that's their level which they've indicated. And the major triggers for the market indicated by these brokerages were the improvement in the economic growth. We've seen GDP coming at 4.8% in the previous quarter. So according to them, the economy has bottomed out, and that will be a major trigger going forward. Besides the political development, the kind of exuberance which we've just seen in the markets only with the exit poll numbers, according to most of the brokerages, if there is not a fractured mandate in the upcoming election, that will be a major boost for the markets, and especially BJP coming into the power.
All right, Navneet, coming to Megha then. Megha, how and what are the brokerages are saying on the individual sectors? Take us through that.
It's the defensive sector in the form of pharma as well as FMCG that has emerged as a front runner and a favorite amongst the experts that we have been speaking with. In fact, remember that you've had the CNX Pharma Index that surged over 22% so far this year. But in spite of that, experts believe that you could be seeing further gains as well come March 2014. In addition to that, they're also talking about how financials would also do well. You will also see a fair bit of traction coming into mid-cap side. So if you focus then in on the key Nifty names or the large cap names that the experts are betting on right now, it's a Reliance Industry. That's the one that tops the list. From the IT basket, and Infosys is also emerging as a favorite. And in addition to that, a State Bank of India, despite all the worries surrounding the PSU banking lot, it's expected that we will see improving asset quality come in for the bank. So State Bank of India could also be doing rather well. If you look at the mid caps then, you've got a couple of names again from the IT pack that stand out. So Persistent Systems is something that the experts have been talking about. A United Phosphorus, and from the Tata basket, a Tata Global Beverages, a clear play on the consumption theme, is expected to do rather well. If you focus then in on some small caps and micro caps, really it's a TTK Healthcare that comes to the fore. You've also got a KSK Energy that some of the experts have spoken about. And in addition to, of course, all these names, and in addition to the fact that defenses are expected to do well, it's the export-oriented theme as well that some of the experts have been recommending.